Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm here to present to you an amazing expression from the Quran. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? This is an amazing expression and a special expression because this expression is repeated 31 times in a single chapter, and that makes it the most repeated expression inside a single chapter of the Quran, and it is fixed miraculously with the RAP1 code. I would like to highlight here that the RAP1 code, which was discovered by me in year 2020, is entirely different, and it has no relevance with the theory presented by a man named Rashad Khalifa. I am Umar Javed from Pakistan, who has discovered with God permission and decree the miraculous expressional code of the Quran, the RAP1. First of all, I would just like to give you a 1-minute refresher of the RAP1 code. It has 4 basic elements. First of all, you have to select an expression from the Quran. The first element is chapter numbers. You have to write the chapter numbers in which the expression of the Quran has occurred. Then the second element is the verse numbers. You have to write the verse numbers in which the expression has occurred. The third element is verses involved. You have to write the total number of verses which are involved in the expression. The last and the fourth element is linked with verse numbers. If the expression inside the verse has occurred twice or thrice or more number of times, then that verse number will also be added twice, thrice, or same number of times. Now you have to take subtotal of each element. Subtotal of chapter numbers, for example, is A. For verse numbers, subtotal is B. And subtotal for verses involved is C. The grand total, for example, is A plus B plus C is equal to 56. The grand total we had assumed A plus B plus C was 56. Now RAP1 code is required to be applied on the grand total. Refer to verse 3 and 4 of chapter number 73, half of it, or subtract from it a little, or add to it and recite the Quran distinctively, or recite the Quran with Mayya. Now you have to apply the RAP1 code. The final answer was 56. Half of it, 56 divided by 2, multiply by 57. That is after adding 1, 56 plus 1. The grand total, the final answer emerged is 1596, which is a multiple of 19. The final outcome after the application of the RAP1 code shall be considered passing on the matrix of 19 if it is a multiple of 19 or it is a running 19. Example of running 19 is, for example, 180091, which is not a multiple of 19, but once you add these digits in the final answer, that is 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 is 19. That is a running 19. Now coming over to the expression. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? This is the most repeated expression in any verse, any chapter of the Quran. This expression has occurred 31 times in chapter number 55, Surah Rahman. The RAP1 code is applied on those verses in which this expression has occurred. Chapter number 55, all the verse numbers are mentioned here, 31 verses in which this expression has occurred. Verses involved, there are 31 verses which are involved in the expression. The subtotal of each element is 55, 1433, and 31. The grand total, the final answer, is 1519. The RAP1 code is required to be applied now. Half of it, or subtract from it a little, or add to it and recite the Quran distinctively. 1519 divided by 2, multiply by 1520. The final answer which has emerged is 1154440, which is a running 19 as well as a multiple of 19. We have seen how amazingly this expression, so which of the favors of your Lord would you deny, is fixed in chapter 55 of the Quran, where it has occurred in 31 verses of chapter number 55. But that is not the end. Now let us take into account those verses in which this expression has not occurred. Now in chapter number 55, this expression, so which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Now, those verses are taken into account in which the above expression has not occurred. This expression has not occurred in these verses, 47 verses of chapter number 55. The RAP1 code is applied on these verses. Chapter number total is 55. Total for the verse number is 1648. Verses involve 47. That is, there are 47 verses of chapter 55 in which this expression has not occurred. The grand total achieved is 1750. Now we apply the RAP1 code. Half of it or subtract from it a little or add to it and cite the Quran distinctively. 1750 divided by 2 multiplied by 1751. The answer shall be 1532125, which is yet again a running 19. Allah be praised.